Hey guys, I'm Voylin and welcome to this mini class for learning Japanese. Today we will discuss dare no, who something belongs to. So let's head straight to the vocabulary. So for today there are only two words, dare, who, kiro, yellow. This lesson is very short but quite essential to know when trying to have conversations in Japanese. And here are the examples for today. Dare no ringo desu ka? Whose apple is it? Kore wa dare no pen desu ka? Whose pen is this? Kore wa dare no kiiro no hon desu ka? Whose yellow book is this? So what we see here is that you can add dare no in front of almost any noun or compound noun. And with this you already learned something new for today. Try to make some examples, try to make sentences on your own, place them in the comments below and I will check if they're correct. Thank you all for listening, watching this lesson and subscribe for more lessons to stay up to date. I'll see you all later. またね。そして頑張ります。